Number 5 is asking us the iupac name of this guy here. I think you kind of like this software, but I might actually use this more often here. I like the control that I have here. So H3C, then CH, CH2, bond C. I have a double bond O here, bond H, O, bond OH here, bond Cl. So how would I label this? So if I wanted to write the iupac name of this, I'm going to have to follow the specific rules, right? I'm going to find our longest chain of our functional group, and then we will figure out the naming. And we're going to put some priority on these carbons here. So as you can see here, I have this carboxylic acid group here. So this is our C double bond OH here, double bond OH. So therefore, this carbon has to be put as priority 1 because we know that carboxylic acid takes the most priority in iupac. So I have 1 here, and then we're going to go toward the left here, and this will be 2, this will be 3, and this will be 4 here. So the longest chain of carbons is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's good. So my ending my ending here is going to be I have all single bonds. It's going to be an alkane chain, and 4 my prefix here is bute, right? So I have bute. And then we know it's carboxylic acid, so I'm going to add OH and I'll add acid as well. So I have butanoic acid as the things highlighted in red. And then I'm going to do this in green here. Oh, let me do this in yellow here. So I've accounted for basically this carboxylic chain, but I need to account for this chlorine, right? So I know this chlorine here is bonded to carbon 3, right? So this here is bonded to carbon 3. So therefore, all I have to write is 3, and then the chlorine group. So I'm going to change this to 3, and then chloro. So this here is our final answer. 3-chlorobutanoic acid is our answer for this problem. And as you can see, this solution is correct.